I need a little fresh air. You know? When I'm zoning and stressing, I need some fresh air. Sometimes I take a long ride and enjoy the fresh air.
Hey, Granddad, I'm vlogging. You want to say what's up to the people? Granddad, you know, he old school. He like, I don't know what vlogging mean, you know?
Really don't. Really don't.
But he said, what's up, people? You know? So we ended up putting in that order for the axle shafts. For the axle shafts, the axle shaft seals, the bearings and the bearing seals for the Buick Electra. So we're going to be taking on that job. Be on the lookout for that vlog. That vlog will be coming very, very soon. So I wanted to bring y'all that news really quick and let y'all know that we heading in the right direction. After this job on the Electra with the axle shaft, I'm gonna be getting the floor done. I'm gonna be getting the floors redone, and you know, pretty much after that, after the new carpet goes in there, the new headliner goes in there. I think I'm gonna go with the black. My wife said that she thinks that the black headliner and the black carpet would be hitting. It would hit a little bit better than the green carpet and the green headliner. So she, you know, she recommended going with the black, and I think it is a good idea. Seeing how the whole dash is black, and you know, that can kind of go together. So we're gonna do the black top liner, we're gonna do the black carpet, and we're gonna do the black package tray in the back. For those who don't know what the package tray is, that's where your speakers are at if you're in a car. That's where your speakers are at in the rear. That's called the package tray. Blah, blah, blah. So we're going to be doing that next. And, you know, pretty much after that, you know, like I said before, it's going to be small things, brakes, rotors, you know, things that aren't really going to be on the vlog at all. I'm not going to make a vlog about, you know, doing brakes and all that, you know, anything like that. But yeah, so I just wanted to catch up with y'all, let y'all know that, and give y'all a quick update on that ride. And then we got Goldie, you know, we got Gold Panda. You know, like I said before, she's running really good. We're about to go ahead and put new brakes, put performance brakes on that ride. We're gonna go with the performance rotors, you know. We're gonna swap out the LEDs for some brighter ones. You know, like I said, we got stereo system going in there, because I know, you know, you guys been waiting to know what type of audio system is gonna go in that car. So we're gonna the stereo system, and after that, I don't know. I have to go look at my notes, but yeah, you know. So we heading in the right direction. You know, we moving forward, doing everything the Nightlife way. Good friend of mine, Nightlife Richie, just called me up, told me he got a surprise for me. So I'm sitting in the driveway waiting for him to come through and show me what the surprise is. You know, he said we do everything the Nightlife way, and hung up on me. So I'm waiting for him to arrive. So moving forward. Yeah, this shit's super clean, man.
Take a picture, how you close this?
You gotta press the hammer on the bottom.
This is nice.
You want me to get you one?
Yeah, please.
Nah, you don't gotta keep that one. Take this one.
No, I'm not taking your stuff.
like that. Come on,
I
man.
got you.
Come on, that shit fire. Come on, let me take a picture. I get back to my kid. And I gotta put this thing back on, you heard?
Yeah.
It says right here. I haven't put it on because I'm tying in these shits.
Nightlife.
Yeah. That shit gotta get back tight. Now that shit gotta. I'm not gonna do like my other one. My other one, I fucking.
Super proud of my guy right now. You don't even know it.
I can't wait. That nigga was supposed to pay hand deliver. You need one too, nigga.
Yeah, I'm gonna go ahead and get one. You just motivated me now, man.
Boys is fucking with it. Can't beat this with a bat. Literally. See how thick this shit is?
Yeah.
How thick this handlebar is compared to the other one. Look.
Yeah, I know. It's way bigger.
Yeah. And it's the same size. This is like the seat height is like 3 inches more.
Yeah. It looks a lot bigger than the other one.
It does, right? But it's not. Damn, see, the thing I don't get this handlebar shit.
Man, ain't even getting no fucking dirt on the tires yet, man.
I got the
That
cheese
shit's
on it,
awesome, man.
Yo, bro, this is easy. You can't. I swear to God.
Cheese on you niggas, man.
Yo, for cheese with these shits, nigga. Think so? Nigga,
All my
guys come
fellas
around the
getting
corner.
that cheese out
I'm dumping
here.
all the product on my socks. Right on the bike. Watch when I get this shit revving the way I want to get it. I still got it. Watch out.
I already know. You got work to do.
Nigga, I want you to take a picture on it. Put a camera on it. I want.
We got the part. We put the order in. So we're expecting to get it Friday, Saturday, the latest. You know. We got some wheel seals coming. Well, axle shaft seals coming also. Excuse me. We also have wheel seals, bearings, and all of the other things you need. But we just getting her ready. That's all. Paint vlog coming, like I said, very soon. Not really focused on the paint right now, this second, on any of the cars, because I want to do it all at one time. That's just how I am, you know. One at a time, you know, all at one time. If that makes sense, if you caught that. But I just wanted to give y'all a little peek at her. Quick walk around before I put her back in the tent and go about my day. That's a quick little walk around. Wipe the bumper down. Didn't put anything on it. Just wiped it down. Give it some love. Usually I clean this car every Thursday, but I've been busy. So, like I said, I'm just gonna give you a little walk around. Give you guys a little walk around. Give you guys a little shot on the body line. You know? So, you know, axle will be repaired. Be no more limping for her. Check out the front bumper. Before I go ahead and back her in. Put her away. I do not own the copyrights to this music. I do not own the copyrights to this music. I'm gonna make sure I let that be known. Do not own the copyrights. None of this music playing. Just wanna give y'all a quick little look. You know, did a good job. I think I did a good job on the bumper. You know, if you wanted to put the finishing touch here, you know, it's finishing touches, you know. But you know, that's how we got things going on here. You know? Jade over there in the cut. But yeah, I just wanted to catch up with y'all. Give y'all a quick little walk around. You know? Getting her ready. See if I can get another picture right here. Really quick. Trying to get a picture with all of these. Well, how long this car is. Good luck. But yeah. You know, I'm gonna catch up with y'all moving forward.
Nightlife way.
She's still sounding marvelous. I just wanted to catch up with y'all. Giving y'all a little update of what we got going on. You know? What we got going on with all three vehicles. Oh wow, she's crowded. What we got going on with all three vehicles. So, with the Electra Buick Doobie, we got our wheel seals, our bearings, we got our axle shaft, our axle shaft seals, our wheel bearings, our wheel seals, if I'm leaving out anything, you get where I'm going. You guys get where I'm going with this. You know, we got everything for the axle repair. You know, and I tell you, these parts for this Electra, very, very hard to find. You know, at least for me and my wife. You know, it's very, very hard to find. Not easy to find. You know, shipping is through the roof. You know, and cost. So like I said, when you're dealing with these old schools, you can't be surprised, you know? You know, you cannot be surprised dealing with these old schools of the prices of these things, you know? Because sometimes, you know, you could be way in over your head if you don't know what you're doing, you know? So, you know, I just wanted to say that. You could be way in over your head if you don't know what you're doing, you know what I'm saying? So I'm blessed to have a lovely wife who can help me out, you know, because sometimes I be, you know, ready to pull one of these out, you know, over these parts. But yeah, anyway, we got the axle being replaced on that, the rear axle on that. On Jade, we're really not doing too much on Jade right now. On Gold Panda, which is the Oldsmobile, you know, we got a lot of work coming in on her. We got the we still have the relay switch that needs to be fixed. We still have the backup camera that needs to be fixed. Well, installed. We have the relay switch that need to be replaced. We got the paint job coming up, obviously, on her. Shocks, struts for Buick Doobie, the Buick Electra, and the Oldsmobile Gold Panda. We got shocks and we got struts coming on both of those vehicles. Jade don't need no struts and no shocks, so we good. But yeah, you know, so we looking good, you know, we looking good. You know, we waiting for the axle, shaft, and the seals to show up so we can get the started on the Buick Electra job. So we waiting for that. We waiting for those packages to arrive so we could begin working on that. And like I said, you know, everything else from that is really small installations, and, you know, nothing really major. You know, like I said, brakes, rotors, shocks, struts, you know, nothing really major on these rides. The Oldsmobile is going to be getting performance brakes, performance rotors. You know, I'm really not playing with that car. But yeah, you know, I just wanted to catch up with y'all. You know, give you guys a little update what we got going on, you know. So, you know, as we continue moving forward, doing everything the Nightlife way, King Nightlife, I'm gonna catch up with y'all.